All right, we're gonna go for a ride here in a 1957 Chevy Handyman wagon. These are rare. It's a two-door wagon. It's not a Nomad, which means it's not $100,000. It's half price. And it's finished in Sierra Gold with Imperial Ivory, two-tone. Good looking car. It's got some Bel Air trim on the side. A lot of guys like to do that, you know, the finned aluminum. It's got some steel wheels with the dog dish caps. Pretty stock, except for it's got a little healthier 327 in it, like a mid-60s 327 with camelback heads and a 4-barrel on there. It's got dual exhaust with some glass packs, factory power steering. It's the original drum brakes all the way around, but it stops good. And it has vintage AC, so nothing wrong with vintage air. The guy that had this car unfortunately passed away, and he actually put this car together for his wife because she had to have air. So that's a nice addition. So it's got the original radio, AM radio in the dash, which I don't think it works, but that can be fixed. Or most people put those custom auto sound stereos in there. This way you have Bluetooth, you can talk on the phone, or listen to your music on your phone, Spotify or something. But good looking car. It's got brand new wide white wall tires all the way around, some radials. They're not bias ply, so they ride nice. Just a nice driving car. Really straight too. The paint's nice. The undercarriage is good. It's not a frame off restored car, but it's nice and solid underneath. No signs of any bad patch panels or anything like that. So anyhow, we're gonna go up here. We'll take some more pictures and some more video for you, give you a rundown on it. All right, we're gonna do a little walk around here in this 1957 Chevy Handyman wagon. Pretty rare. The two-door wagons are, it's not a Nomad. Like I said earlier, it's not a ton of money either. Great looking car. These look cool with surfboard racks on the top, or just to cruise around with the family. You got the two bench seats in there. You can take 6 people comfortably with some, some lunch and a couple coolers full of beverages. Pretty neat, man. I mean, this is a nice color too. It's Sierra Gold with the Imperial Ivory two-tone. It's got some of the Bel Air trim on there that was added. A lot of people like to do that. Got the steel wheels with the wide white walls. Great looking car. All the chrome is beautiful. The nickname Bronzy. It's got bronzy personal plates here for if you're in California, you can keep those. But paint quality is beautiful. No bubbling along the bottom or anything. It's nice condition. Came out of a private collection. The interior is stock. All original style material. Headliner's in great shape. All the glass is in great shape. Original steering wheel, original AM radio. As I said earlier, the upgrades are vintage air conditioning, which is a great upgrade. It's got factory power steering. Just a beautiful looking car. Won't break the bank either. Here's the power plant in the 57 Chevy Handyman. As I mentioned earlier, it's a 327. It looks like a mid-60s. I was decoding the motor. But it's got a 4-barrel carburetor on there. That oil bath air cleaner has been converted to a regular filter, so you don't have to put oil in it. Corvette valve covers, ram's horn exhaust. It's got power steering, works great. The stock brakes work good. You have an electric fan on there, which you usually have to put on when you run air conditioning, but it runs nice and cool. Vintage air, so it's a new style Freon. You don't have to worry about charging it. And it's got the original Powerglide, cast iron Powerglide with dual exhaust with glass packs going out the back. We'll go ahead and fire it up for you. Sounds good. It's not obnoxious or anything like that. Just got a cool old school kind of sound to it. The gauges work. There's your VIN number right there. Yeah, door panels, everything's nice on this car. And the motor's just nice and smooth. Nothing like a small block Chevy. I mean, pretty easy to take care of. Reliable, you can drive them. Still pretty quiet, even with the glass packs on it. Clean car. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to visit us at California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich, and I'll be happy to show you around. We got some other 50s cars here as well, and 60s cars. Give us a ring. Thanks for watching.